Pause. Feel the weight of your body before you feel the weight of your thoughts. Before you ascend, descend. Before you transcend, inhabit. Tonight is not about escaping the world. It is about refining your presence inside it. Under this Virgo Full Moon Eclipse, we do not dissolve into light. We polish the mirror of the body until it reflects only truth. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Breathe slowly through your nose. Feel the temperature of your skin. Feel the gentle pulse beneath your palm. Feel gravity holding you. Your body is not an obstacle to awakening. It is the instrument. Imagine each cell as a tiny green leaf. Virgo's earth intelligence moving through you. With each inhale, light filters into your cells like morning sun through trees. With each exhale, tension drains gently into the ground. No forcing, no performance, just relaxation. Say internally, I am safe inside my body. Let that message land in your nervous system like a soft echo. Notice your thoughts, not to fight them, not to silence them. Simply observe. Under this lunar eclipse, shadows of habit may surface. Overworking, overscrolling, self-criticism. The old story that you must earn your worth. Virgo does not shame you. She refines you. Imagine the eclipse shadow passing across your mental sky, revealing outdated patterns without judgment. See them like chalk on a board, and with one gentle breath, wipe them clean. Your mind becomes spacious, precise, clear. Say softly, I choose thoughts that nourish me. Now shift to feeling. Where is there tenderness? Where is their softness? Invite your inner child forward, gently. Perhaps she appears holding a flower. Perhaps he is barefoot in the grass. Do not rescue them. Smile, and with loving awareness, simply kneel beside them internally. Ask softly, what do you need to feel safe right now? Under the Virgo moon, the answer may be simple. Rest, play, water. A slower pace, touch. Let the child feel your steady breath. Let them feel that the adult self is here now. You are not abandoning your body to chase transcendence. You are building safety from within. Now widen your awareness, but keep your breath steady. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Feel the space around your body, the quiet home of existence. Find the coherence. The infinite field is not out there. It is the subtle intelligence that connects your cells, your breath, the moon, and the soil beneath your feet. Imagine threads of light, not pulling you away, but weaving you deeper into life. You are not dissolving. You are integrating. Rest here for 3 slow breaths. Now return intentionally. Feel your feet, your fingers. Notice one sound, one scent, one physical sensation, slowly and softly rub 2 fingers together, so soft, so tender, that you can feel the skin in both fingers touching each other, caressing, bringing you back into the present moment, into your body, into your cells. Breathe one steady breath. Virgo invites a spring cleaning, not of your soul, but of your habits. Under this eclipse, ask, what a small ritual brings me back to my body daily? Perhaps drinking warm water before your phone, sweeping your floor as a prayer, walking barefoot, cooking slowly and mindfully, 5 breaths before responding. Make the intention. I refine my life through presence. Place your hand over your heart again. The child is safe. The body is online. The mind is clear. The field is within you. When you open your eyes, do it slowly. You are not leaving meditation. You are bringing it with you. You are here, you are here, you are here. This is Inti joy. Blessings on your day and peace on Mother Earth.